One of the most common areas of concern is the area of the upper arms. A lot of people, in particular women, are self-conscious of the appearance of the area and don't feel comfortable to wearing sleeveless outfits because of concerns with regards to maybe the quality of the skin or the quality of the tissue or a degree of sagging. There are treatments that can be undertaken outside of the surgical arena to try and improve the appearance of the upper arm area, which range from injectables to device-driven treatments, and from truly minimally invasive to slightly more invasive but extremely effective. First thing to say is that if your main concern is a matter of skin quality, then without a doubt, treatments that are targeting biorejuvenation and biostimulation of the skin will always be a good approach to the area. In particular, treatments ranging from Profilo Body to polynucleotides, especially polynucleotides combined with hyaluronic acid within the formulation, can be a very useful tool to revitalize the skin, biostimulate, produce collagen, and improve the appearance. The next layer of treatment would involve device-driven treatments, in particular a combination of microneedling and radiofrequency. Now, this is one that can be extremely effective at achieving a sort of 360-degree improvement of the area, in particular targeting skin rejuvenation with collagen production, tissue tightening, and a little bit of lipolysis, i.e. fat reduction. So treatments like Morpheus 8, particularly Morpheus 8 for the body, can be a very helpful way of improving the appearance of the upper arms. Now, this is a type of treatment that actually one should think about with a little bit of advance for two reasons. First of all, the results are not immediate. They take a few months to really manifest. And very importantly, the small amount of trauma caused by the microneedling device onto the skin can, in the very warm months, particularly if there is a lot of sun exposure, cause a slight increased risk of pigmentation. And therefore, it is really important that if one undergoes the treatment during the warm months, that care is taken to always very religiously use sunscreen and to try and minimize sun exposure to the area for at least a couple of weeks after having had the treatment done. There are then more invasive treatments, in particular a popular one that can get great results is Body Tight. Body Tight uses radiofrequency, but instead of being delivered through the skin with a microneedling tool, it is delivered from the inside out via the use of probes, which look a little bit like liposuction cannulas. It is a procedure that is a little more akin to surgery, but it is truly minimally invasive. The incisions are only a few millimeters long, and the upper arm area is one of the target zones to treat with the device, and it's one of the areas where one can get the most rewarding results.